Good morning or good afternoon. My name is Daniel Benitez from the German Aerospace Center, DLR, and today I will present you our joint project with Masen called HelioMaroc. In this presentation, I will guide you through the project overview, the partners and participants, the project current status, and where do we expect to go afterwards. This project is centered on the design, construction, and testing of a heliostat made in Morocco. A heliostat is what you see on the left-hand side. These are the heliostats from Sener, built at the North 3 power plant in Ouarzazate, Morocco. And on the right-hand side, you see the design provided by DLR for this project, which is focused on low cost and high local content. This project includes the tasks shown in green on the top, which are first the heliostat design and yield analysis, then a call for tenders organized in order to select Moroccan consortia to build the heliostat prototype, then the assembly and demonstration, going then to the test and qualification of the product, and finally the evaluation of the implementation. With this project, we seek to innovate on a heliostat design specifically to be produced in Morocco, considering the local conditions and capabilities. Therefore, we look at high innovation and high local content. As for the project partners, we have two, one from Morocco, which is Masen, who is leading the work of the local industry and is providing the infrastructure and the specialists needed for the testing and the qualification of the prototypes. The second project partner is DLR from Germany, whose Institute for Solar Research has been working on the design of the heliostat, a construction of a small prototype, is working on the capacity building to support the Moroccan companies to be able to build a prototype and then to test it, to qualify it, and to identify recommendations for its improvement. Also from Morocco, we have two consortia participating. The first one is built up of the companies Abirail, Adelma, and the International University of Rabat, and the second consortia is led by the Jet Energy Group. We also had the support of the Moroccan Solar Cluster in order to identify the companies and work with the stakeholders in Morocco. Currently, the heliostat has been fully designed. Two consortia contracted by Masen have built and tested indoors the prototypes and are now working on installation at Ouarzazate. Unfortunately, due to the COVID restrictions, DLR cannot travel to Morocco at this moment to qualify the heliostat. Therefore, Masen will do the qualification with the remote assistance of DLR. This project will finish end of this year. Until then, we expect to test the heliostats on the site, qualify them, and collect experience for future improvements. Now, looking to the future, we expect to improve the design, mainly in order to increase the local content and to improve the quality of the product. Regarding the local content, we have some ideas, like shown in the picture in the center, to use recycled wheels in the product directly and other local materials, for example, bamboos if possible, in the structure. We also seek to replace the imported elevation drive, currently imported from Germany, by also local products. We also look to change the shape of the sandwich facet to make it more cost effective. We'd like to upscale the heliostat to a size of 50 square meters. What we expect is the techno-economical optimum. The DLR will do a demonstration of this by next year, with the first step of 20 square meters. Then we would like to have a project in which we can demonstrate the daily operation of a pilot plant with as many as 100 heliostats or more, all of them built in Morocco. With this, we seek to demonstrate the durability of these local products. And finally, we would like to integrate this technology not only into the electricity production, but also other industries, for instance, related to the process heat for the industry or even for rural applications. So this is all my presentation. I would like to thank you for your attention. I will be glad to answer any of your questions.